Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Ima Sulistiana. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tugas 3 sesi 7 bahasa Inggris. Prodi bahasa Inggris PGSD ya. Dan di sini yang saya jelaskan tentang direction and hobby. Number 1, is there any public hospital near here? Where is it? Okay, from here I am in Marta Dinata Street. You can go on Marta Dinata Street. It's about 2 kilometers. You will find the junction. You can turn right, and then on Sudarso Street, it's about 200 meters. You will find public hospital on the right side of the road and public hospital in front of Ramayana. Second question, where is the National Bank of Indonesia? Okay, National Bank of Indonesia. I am in Marta Dinata Street. From here, you can go on for about 2 kilometers. Okay, before the junction, you will find public hospital and drugstore, and you can go on. Okay, if you have passed the junction, you can turn left on Sudarso Street. You still go on. It's about 300 meters. You'll find National Bank of Indonesia on the right side of the road, and National Bank of Indonesia in front of railway station and beside Chinese restaurant. Okay, number 3, where is Ramayana Department Store? Okay, Ramayana Department Store. I am from National Bank of Indonesia. Okay, from here you can go on Sudarso Street. You can go on for about 100 meters. You will find the junction, and you still go straight on. It's about 350 meters. You will find Ramayana on the left side of the road and Ramayana Department Store in front of public hospital and beside Chinese restaurant. Number 5, excuse me, are there any restaurants around here? Where is it? Yes, there are. Okay, from I am from Marta Dinata Street. You can go on Marta Dinata Street. Okay, before you find the junction, you will find public hospital and drugstore. And if you have passed the junction, you can find Chinese restaurant beside Ramayana and National Bank of Indonesia. I mean, Chinese restaurant is among Ramayana and National Bank of Indonesia. Number 5, can you tell me where the drugstore are, please? Okay, I am from Ramayana. You can go on Sudarso Street, and you keep go on. You will find 3 junction, but you still go on. It's about 100 meters. You will find drugstore on the left side of the road, and drugstore is beside railway station. Okay, number 6. Can you tell me the way to the railway station? Yes. I am in Marta Dinata Street. From here, you can go on. It's about 300 kilometers. You'll find three junction. The junction, you can turn left. On Yosudarso Street, it's about 1 kilometers. And before it, you will find drugstore. And drugstore, after drugstore, you will find railway station on the left side of the road. And railway station in front of National Bank of Indonesia. Thank you. Part 2. First question, what is your hobby? My hobby is watching movie and listening Western music. Sometimes I listen Muslim music. Second, when do you usually do your hobby? I usually do my hobby in my spare time when my duty has done. I do my hobby. Third question, what do you usually do in your spare time? I usually do in my spare time is going to somewhere, maybe going to market. Sometimes I going to beach, and then sometimes I going to mountain because my house is near with beach and mountain. Do you do the activity very often? Number 4 question. Yes, I do. I do my activity very often. Sometimes I do washing clothes, I cooking, I wash the dishes, and then I sweep the floor. I flower. I water my flower, and sometimes I doing some exercise. Yes, that is. Number 5. How often do you do the activity in your spare time? For example, I have spare time in afternoon. I go to beach because my house is near with beach, and I usually do my hobby in going to beach twice in a week. Number 5. Where do you usually go for recreation? I usually go for my recreation. Yes, I go to mountain. I go to park. Sometimes I go to museum, and then sometimes I go to beach because I like beach because beach is very comfortable for me. I like water. I like the scenery. I like the relaxation when I was in beach. That's all. Thank you.